Hey everyone, welcome back. Hope everybody's having a good day. I was just heading out, but I thought let me release this video before I do head out. And if you guys find value in it, do not forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell, okay? So let's get into it. Quant. I had to make a video about this because I've seen some hype tweets, you know, on Twitter. And this channel is about pure TA. I think I was one of the first ones to tell you guys that we would have one more leg up to these levels. I did say 230. We came all the way to 228. You guys can just go back to my shorts video and find it there. It's the one with Quant, of course. And TA got respected, completely respected, okay? So if you guys hear vibration in the background, it's my friends calling, so I'll take care of that, but excuse me. Anyways, let's get into it, okay? So this is gonna be a short to midterm TA, and when it comes to the long term, I discuss it like I've been talking about it in the live streams, not these past two, but I've spoken about it. So we're gonna be focusing on the short to midterm right now, okay? So right now, things are not looking juicy for Quant, okay? Like if especially if Bitcoin keeps on tanking, expect this to have some tanking action as well. Just saying, okay? Expect. Like, we never know what happens in the market, but from experience, I'm telling you guys, it's possible to expect it, okay? Like, probabilities are high that it could tank with it. Anyways, RSI is below neutral, as you guys can see, and we are losing positive momentum on the MACD at this 4 hourly bar right now. Like it's pretty weak, okay? There is no divergence on the 4 hourly chart. Like there's no bullish divergence at all. But if we head over to the daily chart, not that I want to focus on the long term, but if we head over to the daily chart, there is a hint of bullish divergence in development right now. As in it's building, but it's not complete, okay? The moment it gets, if it gets below, let's say $87, just to be a bit more conservative, okay? If we have a daily candle close below $87, this bullish divergence that is developing right now is gonna be completely invalid, okay? So we do have hidden bullish divergence developing on both oscillators. Fine, okay, check. But let's get back to the 4 hourly chart. So we came up to this level around $136 and we got rejected, and there is really no question why we got rejected at these levels. If you look at these levels, it was old support levels. I hope you guys can see it. And now it's acting as resistance, okay? On top of that, this Japanese indicator or this candle was telling you to be cautious. Like it's almost like a high wave candle, almost telling you that the market is confused, which we all know about, you know, thanks not to FTX and everything else going on. But anyways, looks like we are forming some type of, you know, engulfing, bearish engulfing candle right now. We do have a bit of a support here. And if you wonder why, I can just head over to the 1 hourly chart and show you guys like this is levels where we got, you know, a bit resistance before, and now it's acting as support a little bit. Like I can't go into in the depth, like I can't get any deeper because there's a lot of things playing out with the candlesticks that I know about, but shortly we do have some 1 hourly support right there, okay? but it doesn't mean like we're out of the danger zone and it's gonna be respected. Like we do not know yet is the truth. We still don't know. This can get this doesn't have to be respected, okay, even though it's support. And you can see the price coming all the way to $106. That would not be weird at all, okay? And if you wonder why $106 or $105, like we do have some support there. Thing is, if we break this support, there's not much holding us until 89 to $80. Like to be more, conservative, I would say around 83 to $85, okay? But within this box, nevertheless, if you look to the right, you guys see the price range right here, okay? But within this box, but this blue support line that you guys can see like is pretty major. It is a critical level, it is a key level, okay? If we break that one, we will get into the next levels that I will be looking at. But until then we'll see what happens. If this one hourly support breaks, if we get to these levels, do not be surprised. And if you've watched my live stream, before, a live stream where I've spoken about, some altcoins including Quant, then you do know like that this support has been spoken about, okay? And it is respecting it. Like this will be the first time I'm gonna be changing this, like stretching this box, because I usually just let it be so that people will see that I'm not changing according to the price. Like I'm talking about this before things happen, okay? So right now we are still respecting it, but if we break below this, box, let's just say $105, to be a bit more conservative. Do not be shocked, guys, if you come back and retest, this level, which is second support right now, okay? So that's to the downside. We've covered that up. We've covered the support levels, right? Um, the moving averages are looking bearish, shortly without getting too deep. Looking at the daily, I mean, it's okay. It's okay in this chart, right? But I do have other screens in front of me, and in one of my screens, I do see that the 20 period moving average is just starting to curl over the midterm, which is also another, bearish signal, okay? Just saying. So let's go back to the 4 hourly. Everything here, like moving averages looking bearish, RSI below neutral. We are losing strength in the, MACD, as you guys can see, okay? It doesn't mean we're not gonna have another green bar, but I'm just saying right now at the moment while I'm recording this video, we are losing strength, guys, okay? And there was no hidden bullish divergence or whatsoever for this pump. I think it happened mainly because we were at support levels and Bitcoin had a little, rally, and the rest rallied with it, okay? So levels to the upside that I can speak about right now is, first of all, we have resistance around $126. We got resistance around $126 first, okay? If we can break that one, next one would be around $135, $136. Like this one is a major one that we have, or Quant has, to break above. So we can at least see the next resistance, which would be around $145, okay? We'll take it level by level, right? $145. If we see a 4 hourly candle close above $145, next one would be $155. Like I'm breaking it down for you guys, okay? Breaking it down for you as detailed as possible when it comes to the shorter time frames, okay? And even the midterm, which we've gone through already. So this is Quant. I hope you found value in the video. I hope you guys always have your stop losses ready, and tweak them when necessary. If you do find value, do not forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell to be notified in time before I go live next time or before I release any other video. Um, Thank you very much for all the subscribers, all the new viewers, and all the old viewers, like each and one of you. I appreciate you all. Channel has been booming and like it's heartwarming. Thank you, okay? This is your host, Dana, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.